All right, here's the Hercules 444 amplifier. And I'm putting in a new MRF428 Final transistor into the left side board. And got it set up, I think, now for filming. So let's do some filming. So I'm just going to put some solder on this thing now. I have it tightened down. I don't have solder paste on it, and I didn't bother solder sucking off the pads on this thing. That can cause damage. I'm just going to try it the way it is, and I don't have heatsink paste on this thing. It is tightened down, but not real tight, because I don't want heat going into the heatsink when I'm trying to solder these things. So let's see how this works out. I did use this little Weller pencil to get this thing off of here. This is a controlled temperature soldering iron. Looks like it's working. Since this thing handles a lot of current, you might have, like, I don't know, 10 amps going through here. You can't really screw this up. All right, that looks fine. It's all melded. Let's do this one here. Looks good. Let's do this one and not burn up the toroid here. Don't want to burn up the transformer. Impedance input transformer here. Get some heat flow going on here and hope for the best. And you don't want to overheat and burn up the transistor either. Not sure if that's possible. It probably is. Okay, there we go. That's good. Okay, one more to go, and this thing is going to be in here. And we'll call it a day on that one. Then we'll do the other one. So these aren't so bad to put in if you're just sensible and careful about it. I used to hate putting these in, but now it doesn't seem so bad. Now that I'm a lot older than I was. I was in college back then. All right, so I need to get the iron in here, so I'm going to move this camera a little bit. Guess I can't move the camera very well. Can I move this thing a little bit? Sure. Will it bother to focus again? Sure. All right. I still can't get my iron in here well to do any soldering because of my stand for the cameras in the way. On the last one. Okay, just suffice it to say that I got this last one done, right? So I don't want to screw it up due to a camera shot. How about at the corner there? Yeah, that'll work, I think. Let's, nope, I can't get it right. All right, I can't get the camera in for the last one. Trust me, it's done. Have a nice day.